If you've never changed a tire before, don't worry. I'll walk you through it. Getting a flat tire can be a real bummer, especially if you're new to the whole car thing. But guess what? It's not as scary as it seems. Trust me, with a little guidance, anyone can tackle this like a pro. We're going to walk through every single step together, making it super easy to understand. Don't sweat it if you've never even looked at a tire up close. We're starting from scratch here. By the end of this, you'll be amazed at how simple it actually is. So take a deep breath, grab your tools. You'll need a spare tire, jack, lug wrench, and wheel wedges. And let's get this tire changed. Remember, you've got this, and I'm here to help every step of the way. Let's dive in. First things first, let's gather all the tools we'll need to get the job done. Before we jump into action, let's make sure we have all our tools ready to go. Don't worry, you won't need a whole mechanic's shop. Just a few basic things that you probably already have in your car. First up, your car's owner's manual. This little book is like a treasure map for your specific car. It'll show you exactly where to find your spare tire, jack, and lug wrench. Speaking of which, the spare tire is our hero of the day, the replacement wheel that's going to get you back on the road. Make sure it's properly inflated before you head out. Next, the jack is our muscle, the tool that will lift the car so we can change the tire. And finally, the lug wrench is our key, used to loosen and tighten the lug nuts that hold the tire in place. Some cars also have a special tool to remove hubcaps if you have them. Now that we've got our tools sorted, let's talk safety. Before you even think about touching those lug nuts, safety comes first. Find a nice, level spot to pull over away from traffic. A straight stretch of road or a parking lot is perfect. Once you're safely parked, engage your parking brake. This is super important to prevent the car from rolling while you're working on it. Now, let's get visible. Turn on your hazard lights to let other drivers know you're dealing with a flat. It's also a good idea to set up some warning triangles or flares behind your car, especially if you're on a busy road. This gives everyone an extra heads up and keeps you safe. With safety measures in place, we can move on to the actual tire change. All right, let's get down to business. Grab your lug wrench and find those lug nuts. They're the big bolts holding the flat tire to the car. Now here's a little trick. Loosen the lug nuts a bit before you jack up the car. It's much easier to do it while the tire is still on the ground. No need to go full Hulk mode here, just break them loose. Next, position your jack under the car's frame, near the flat tire. Consult your owner's manual for the exact location. It's like the car's pressure point for lifting. Now, slowly and carefully, raise the car until the flat tire is about 6 inches off the ground. This gives us enough clearance to remove the flat and install the spare. With the car lifted, we can now unscrew those lug nuts all the way and carefully remove the flat tire. All right, we're in the home stretch. Lift the spare tire onto the wheel hub, lining up those lug nut holes. Once it's in place, tighten the lug nuts by hand as much as you can. Then, lower the car using the jack until the spare tire is resting on the ground. Now grab your lug wrench and tighten those lug nuts again, this time going in a star pattern. This ensures the tire is secured evenly. Once they're nice and snug, lower the car completely. Give each lug nut one final check to make sure they're super tight. Awesome job. You did it. You successfully changed a flat tire. Remember to put your flat tire jack and tools back in your trunk. Before you hit the road, drive slowly to a nearby gas station to inflate your spare tire to the proper pressure, which you can find in your owner's manual. And hey, if you're ever unsure about anything, don't hesitate to ask for help. Stay safe out there, and happy driving.